Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this error which says this software cannot be used at the same time as the game in Battlefield REDSEC. In bracket Daemon tools is written. In order to solve this, what you need to do, just hit right click on the Windows icon, then you need to click on Task Manager. Right here we need to see the entries for Daemon tools, so we just need to scroll a bit to see that. As you can see right here, this is the entry for Daemon tools. We can hit right click there, select the option in task. We again need to do the same, look for the Daemon tools entry. Here it is, hit right click, select the option in task. Now this time we're gonna look for this one, DiscSoftLTD service lite. Hit right click there, select the option in task again. So basically we just need to look for the entries, as I said, Daemon tools, and you need to hit right click there and just select the option in task. Once you do that, just close this. This time again we need to hit right click on the Windows icon, then go to the option device manager, expand this one, storage controllers, hit right click on Daemon tools, disable this. Once you do that, you need to again expand this one, universal serial bus controllers, and again we need to hit right click on Daemon tools, disable that. So you need to look for all of this and look for the Daemon tools entries and just disable that. Once you do this, just close everything and relaunch your Battlefield REDSEC. It should work now. If your problem still persists, then you need to do the same thing for similar tools such as TS for Windows, REWASD, AutoHotkey, Joy2Key, Razer Synapse, Corsair ICUE, Facet Anti-Cheat, Riot Vanguard, Belvedere, Logitech G Hub, or either mouse. Like you need to open Task Manager, end their processes and disable their drivers in Device Manager. Not only that, you also look for drivers like XV, DD, SC, SI, Minipod or Corsair Bus, disable them, and if that doesn't help, uninstall the related apps. Like in my case, as I said, I have Daemon tools. I can search Daemon tools here, hit right click on that and just simply uninstall that from here. With that, you can also close any extra background programs, for example VLC codec packs, wallpaper engine, MSI utilities, etc., and stop their services from Task Manager. We are doing this because this kind of issue can be caused by any third-party software. If you have any other background tools or services running, close them, stop their services and disable their drivers in Device Manager if they appear there. And that's all there is to it. This is the way you can fix this issue in Battlefield REDSEC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll move to the next one. Bye bye.